Hello everyone, you're watching another episode of Uzbektales, and as usual I'm your host Video Boy Matov. In this video guys, we will start another new type of videos. Till now we guys show you the museums, some historical sites, some scary places, but from this episode guys, we will start to show you our beautiful, incredible, delicious, tasty Uzbek cuisine. So from now on we will make some dishes, some sweets, some some unbelievable things. And today here guys, in my neighborhood actually, so maybe you noticed at the beginning of this video there was a Olot Somsa that was written. So let me show you this way. Guys, here we are. This is the Olot Somsa. Now we are in my neighborhood, as I said again, in Tashkent, Almazor district. And here we are. We have a small bakery. They are making a very famous Olot Somsa. Olot Somsa is already become a brand for the Uzbekistan. And there is two type of Somsa, Olot Somsa and Somsa. Now I'll show you some ingredients. I just put it here. See guys, for the Olot Somsa we don't need so many ingredients. We need beef, we need the beef fat, we need some onions and the bell pepper inside all the mix, and of course it's just the salt. So these ingredients are the main ingredients of the Olot Somsa. Today guys, we'll show you the soup. Now we'll enter inside the kitchen. This is one of my brother friend Muhammad. Muhammad, how are you? So this is the team of Muhammad. You see they are cooking. They are already start to make Olot Somsa. They are making every day hundreds of Olot Somsa. And now we will show you how they are making this one. Let's go! So guys, the Olot Somsa is different than other Somsa, Somsa, because of the dough. It's very easy to make it. They are not adding anything, just flour and the water. But for the other samsas, they're adding some fats or some ingredients. But Olot Somsa is very easy to make it. And by the way, the history of Olot Somsa goes back to the Bukhara region, Olot district of Uzbekistan. I think it get named, Olot Somsa because of the Olot district. So they make it first Olot Somsa in the Olot district of the Bukhara region. So these guys also from the Bukhara, they are making it already Olot Somsa more than 10 years. Most experienced Olot Somsa makers in Uzbekistan. See that how they are making the dough. So yeah, you need some physical strength to work with this dough. That they are making this one, and it goes like this. So guys, now they are adding the flour. So yep, you see how they are making the dough for the Olot Somsa. It's very easy. Just to learn how to make it. That's it. Okay. So guys, here we are in the kitchen. Now you can see the process of the Olot Somsa, how they are making the Olot Somsa. So at the corner there is already already there is a flour, there is a water. They are making dough. So dough, see, this guy is making already dough. It's almost ready. And there is another thing. See, so this guy is taking the small part of the dough, and this is the ingredients. See, guys. So they add some tomatoes also here. So tomatoes are here. See how he's taking. So they told me that ingredients in this dish, it's enough like 400 Olot Somsa. They can make it like 400, and they are making every day almost like thousands of food. Can you imagine? Thousands. Wow. So this is how they are making. It's very easy to make it. Everybody can learn. It's not difficult. It's like, you know, our fast food. Why in Uzbekistan fast food is not, you know, popular? Because we have our own fast food. We call it samsa. It's not like, you know, in Middle Eastern Arabic or Indian or, you know, Pakistani samosa. No, we call it somsa. Somsa is totally different than samosa. So it's why whenever you guys here in Uzbekistan, just try the somsa. There is two types of somsa, as I mentioned before, in Uzbekistan. One of them is Somsa and one of them is Olot Somsa. So they are already become like brand. Now we are making the Olot Somsa. So see, guys, he's putting here. It's ready to get baked. See, this is one batch is almost ready. So now we will put it inside. Okay, now, okay, let's see. So, okay, see, guys, what he's doing? He's pouring some water. Wow. Okay, let's. So water goes away, and this our samsa is wet. Now, okay. Yep, that's it. Okay, after 5 minutes, inshallah, it will be ready. So we will come back to you guys after 5 minutes. Okay, guys, now another process. We will open the oven and then we'll turn it down. See, okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, that's it. There's one more. It's getting ready for another batch. You see, wow, guys, here process is so fast. One batch is there, another batch is almost getting ready. Okay, there. They're preparing the plate. Now, see you guys.
Yağlıyını bilsin diye tutunda öyle.
Okay.
Kim?
Okay, guys, now it's almost done. Now these guys are making the Olot Somsa for the delivery. See, this is beautiful boxes. They will put it inside. So a lot of offices, a lot of peoples, they are just ordering delivery Olot Somsa from here. See, they will keep it inside, freshly baked. It's so hot still. Okay. So guys, as I said again, it's written here Uzbekistan and Bukhara. So this is the brand from the Bukhara, Olot district, Bukhara region. So whenever you go to Bukhara, or doesn't matter whenever you are in Uzbekistan, just remember Olot Somsa of Bukhara. See, guys, if you would like to order this Olot Somsa, they have a delivery also. This is the delivery car. It's very famous in Uzbekistan. It's called Damas. So this is their delivery car, Olot Somsa. They have another filials also. It's in Yunusabad, and this is now we are in Torakamish and the Chilonzor. So total 3.3 Olot Somsa bakery houses they have. So guys, I think this is enough for this episode. So thank you very much for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, just any comments please, and don't forget to share our videos about Uzbekistan, about Olot Somsa. And these guys are the best for making the Olot Somsa. Thank you very much. Bye bye.